Okay, so now I'm going to be showing off the Diecast app items, which includes a bunch of a bunch of take and play, some take along, and only one Ertl. So we got Winston with their Tom hat, two take and play Thomases, a take along. No, wait, did I say take along? I meant two take and play Thomases, a take and play Percy, a take and play Stanley, a take and play Diesel, a take and play 2013 Sir Handel, a take along Freddy, take and play Harold, a take along Gordon with take and play Edward's Tender, a take along James, brand cement mix up, and an Ertl Thumper. So yeah, there's not much here to talk about. So right here we have Winston with a Tom hat. This item was released to coincide with the DVD and Blu-ray release of Blue Mountain Mystery. Oh, and the Fat Controller is now removable, so you can't remove them. Two take and play Thomases. They're just normal variants, so nothing special about them. A take and play Percy. A take and play Stanley. A take and play Diesel, which came with the Diesel work set. Take and play 2013 Sir Handel. A take along 2007 Freddy. A take and play Harold. A take along Gordon. A take along Gordon from 2002 up until the Rangers discontinuation and rebranded, along with James. But yeah, that's Edward's Tender, which is a take and play mold. Brand Cement Mix Up, which is a pack that was released to coincide with the DVD release of Tale of the Brave. And only one Ertl item here is Thumper. Let's see, from from 2001, or was it 2000? I mean, it kind of says 2001. Oh yeah, these can move. This piece can extend just like that. The cement mixer rolls. Harold Blades wrote. And the others, they're just engines. One of them's an inspection car. But yeah, right here is the 2013 CGI Sir Handel. Yeah, this Sir Handel, Sir Handel was redesigned with a CGI face. Pretty much before or after Blue Mountain Mystery ended. But yeah, there's not much here to talk about, so I'll just leave it at that. Oh, and Thumper's treads are still here. Usually they're lost. Yeah, you kind of have to push Thumper down real hard in order to get him moving. Or you could just do this. I guess he's pretty much, I guess he's pretty much better as a static character. But yeah, that's it on the diecast items. So I'm gonna be looking at the Trackmaster, motorized, and push long stuff. Oh, and the reason why I didn't put push long with the diecast item seen here is because the push long models are compatible with the Trackmaster brand. But yeah, so stay tuned.